Hello everybody, welcome in today's video. Guys, in today's video we are going to have a look at the recent Bitcoin pump, so to say. Bitcoin going to 41,000 US dollars approximately, but we are still trading below this key resistance. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm going to expect with Bitcoin for the next days and weeks, and how long it might take before we actually going to see some bullishness back in Bitcoin. We're also going to have a look at the funding rates right now, and yeah, I just want to have a general talk with you about maybe some stuff that is not only about crypto. So guys, let's start with that. I have quite a crazy story to tell. Like yesterday I was driving around in the streets right here in Bali, and at one moment I suddenly see or I heard actually something breaking at a distance, maybe it was 100 meters in front of me. But what actually happened was there was a traffic accident. There was one guy who hit another motorbike, and I was just driving very slowly in a relaxed pace. That was also my luck, because at one certain moment one of these motorbikes from that accident came at full speed towards my bike, like maybe with 60-70 kilometers per hour, very fast. And I'm just like shot into panic, like what is going on? So I'm trying to go left, trying to avoid, but then the bike went left as well. At the last moment I could turn right, and the bike just flew like with a couple of centimeters maybe like past me, which was actually quite crazy. I just wanted to share that with you guys. The traffic here in Southeast Asia can be quite crazy. Maybe for the ones that haven't been here, it can be a bit chaotic as well. However, normally I actually experience that it is quite safe. Even though it is a little bit chaotic, it can be quite safe. However, even though if you're yourself driving very safely, it is still possible for other people to make a mistake and eventually harm you. So that is something important when you are participating in traffic light. Always be mindful of your own behavior, but also be mindful that other people can make a mistake, and that you basically prepare for that. But it was really crazy, because the bike came to me and I just felt like my heart pounding in my throat. I suddenly got very awake, and interesting how the body reacts to that as well. Maybe also when we are seeing a Bitcoin pump or dump, we are also getting like completely in the moment. But yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you. Life is very precious. Don't spend it 24/7 behind the charts, of course, and always make sure to do the things that you love the most in life. That is the responsibility that you got. Okay, guys, then let's dive into it. Maybe I will edit some videos in here about the traffic right here. Lately we also had some floods here in the street. That was actually quite fun. I have a trail bike, so I was driving around in this water with my legs up in the water. And that was actually quite funny, although those floods might not be fun for everybody. I will put some videos right here just so you can see how that actually looks. But yeah, guys, let's dive into Bitcoin. What do we see with Bitcoin? Well, we have seen a nice reaction right here. We just got a bounce from the support, very expected, right? Nothing dramatically has been changing. Basically, we're still trading in this bigger formation. A lot of signals are pointing out to potential upside breakout right here. But yeah, that upside breakout can happen later in this formation. That can even go until the end of April. So I think to have patience right here during this formation, during this time of consolidation, is very important. With Bitcoin, don't overrush. Don't expect every day crazy volatility right here, because there is no clear direction right now. And for me, I would just try to be patient during this formation and react whenever we are seeing a more deterministic trend in Bitcoin. Then, guys, on the daily time frame, we still have that very nice triangle formation on the relative strength index. So yeah, I expect also that we are either going to see a breakout right here most probably before we are going to see that in the price. So we might already be capable of predicting the direction of the breakout before we actually see it in the price, due to the fact that we can see it in the relative strength index. That's going to be very interesting as well. If we zoom in on Bitcoin right here, we still can see that we got a potential cycle low coming in at the end of March, which basically means that March still is quite a unpredictable month. We could be still seeing a form of a liquidity tap, or maybe we touch the support right here. Bitcoin has not yet flipped bullish right now just because of this bounce. I see a lot of people tweeting about that they're getting really wild because of this bounce, and of course it's nice to see Bitcoin bounce, I'm not gonna lie. I also like to see the price go up, but yeah, I wouldn't become overly bullish in this with this bounce right here. The resistance right now, shorter term time frame, starting at 41,800, going up to 42,000. That is the red zone right here. If we can break that, I think we will go to the resistance right here. Then it's going to be another attempt whether we can potentially break out or get another retest of the support, and maybe can see a breakout later on. So that is what I'm watching basically in the shorter term time frame. Still, I do think the midterm perspective over the next coming months, I think the price will tend to trend up right here, but I think we have to be patient as well. This pattern can go on till the end of April before we could actually see a breakout. So we could still be in this choppy environment until the end of April. I'm not saying that is going to happen. I'm just saying that it's possible. So be aware of that as a trader. Don't try to make that big. Don't try to make big trades every single day. If you don't understand what basically the structure right now is in Bitcoin. Then when we have a look at the background in the markets, funding rates are negative, which is normally a bullish sign. So yeah, that could still tell us that we might see that push over this resistance, maybe test the resistance right here. I think before we are breaking this resistance, we have to be very cautious. But if we can break this resistance decisively, which would be at starting at 44.7k, but let's say roughly $45,000, also aligning with the 21 weekly EMA, roughly that level is already slightly below. That will be definitely more bullish and will bring more confidence back into the markets. Guys, talking about the funding rates, we just finished off with the funding rates from Whale Portal. That chart will look as follow right here. I'm not really sure about the colors yet. I might change the colors. If you have any idea about the colors, let me know in the comment section down below. But guys, I'm actually pretty hyped up for this project that I'm already working on for quite some time. It's right now already like a couple of months I'm working on it quite intensively. This is going to really help traders for short term, also for long term trading, to get perfect entries and to see exactly what is going on in the market. So it has to be a website where you go through, and on that website, on the homepage, you directly see like a couple of charts which will exactly explain to you what is going on in the markets. Is the majority short? Is the majority long? Is there interest in the markets? What are the funding rates telling us? Should you go long? Should you be cautious? So yeah, that would be really a portal for every trader who, before they open any trade, you should have a quick look at that portal, at that dashboard, to see if there's any increased risk to the upside or downside. So that is going to be, I think, really an edge for traders who know about this against traders who don't know about this, because it will definitely use all the data which most of the more successful traders in the crypto space will use. And we will also add some own calculations to the charts to optimize the data. So that is going to be very, very interesting, guys. I just want to share my enthusiasm about this project with you. If you have any ideas, feedback so far, whatsoever, you can always send me an email, or you can always drop it in the comment section down below. Like to hear that. And of course, if you are not following this project over on Twitter yet, make sure to do so. We already programmed this Twitter bot for some kind of signals. It is bringing out the funding rates every 8 hours. It will update you on the crypto fear and greed index. Right now we are working on the Twitter bot updating whether whenever there are big deposits into exchange wallets, we will get an alert. So when there's a lot of Bitcoins moving to exchanges, that might cause selling pressure, that might be a warning signal. That bot is right now being built for Twitter. So these are all kind of signals you will be aware of if you follow this Twitter account. And of course, eventually, we want to have that nice portal where we can just go to that one website which will provide us all the data, and which might even work better than looking at the regular chart, right? So that's going to be very interesting. Yeah, guys, like I said, I just wanted to share my enthusiasm about this project. For Bitcoin, yeah, not much has been changing, right? We're still trading in that structure. So yeah, I also don't have much news about that. I can just tell you in the shorter term time frame, we still have that like resistance right here. But if we break it, we still get that resistance at 44.7, 45k, where we still can go lower. Think March is still normally a volatile month. Most of the time volatility to the downside. Something to take in mind, right? So yeah, guys, that is basically what I think right now is going on with the Bitcoin price. Sometimes as a trader, it is also good to know when to take a step back. You know, you don't have to be 24/7 active in the markets. Sometimes it is okay to take a step back to prevent any losses due to the confusing times that we are in. Also, when we have a look at, for example, this range, like it doesn't look like it, but this is a range where a lot of traders were losing a lot of money, and that is due to the fact that there's no clear direction. You know, people, they don't really know, they don't really get a grip on the markets, what is going on. There's no clear direction. It's very difficult to trade the markets without a clear direction. If you are scalping, that could be a trading strategy if you are doing that in such a formation, because we got somewhat sideways formation, right? You can scalp this on shorter term time frame, of course, but if you are looking for swing trades and so on, yeah, be careful, as there is right now no clear direction, and it can still take some time for this choppy action to end. Okay, guys, that's what I'm thinking of Bitcoin. Thank you all for listening to me in today's video. It's very, very much appreciated, guys. If you like today's update, always make sure to leave the thumbs up. Very much appreciated. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you want to help out the channel, guys, I got my affiliate links below this video. And I have a cryptocurrency trading course that I'm selling. In that trading course, you will learn actually everything that I know about the cryptocurrency markets, and you will also go through the process thinking how you can create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy. Those are, that is the course is designed to teach you to create your own profitable trading strategy. Next to that, I have affiliate links to exchanges which I'm using personally, and if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link, I will earn a small commission from that, and you will get an additional bonus for using that affiliate link. So it's a win-win situation. If you are interested in that, that is ways you can support the channel as well. Not necessary, of course. I will be anyway making here free content. But yeah, guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.